already a superstar in India, soon to be worldwide.
I'm so used to being told, these are your lines and this is your script. This whole thing is completely different. I'm scared, I'm nervous, and I'm looking forward to this being a completely new journey.
I know you got your own town. I know you got your own way.
Well, like I said, I hate the word crossover, so
Yeah.
I don't believe in that. I think
Yeah,
today
I
the
agree.
world is the world's become a really small place. Globalization is the way forward, and ethnicity doesn't matter as much anymore.
Yep.
And I think that's it's a great time for me to be doing what I'm doing, or for me to try to do what I'm doing. So I think that as long as you're catering to a global audience, it doesn't really matter. When it comes to my music, what I want to be able to do, whether it's my movies or my music, I want to be able to be who I am and yet be appealing to a global audience. And that, for me, that's the trick, I guess. Well, the way I see it is, it's baby steps. You can't have an ambition and say, I want that tomorrow. It's the little things that you will do to get there. It's the stepping on every rung of the ladder. And for me, I started when I was 17. I was totally young. I didn't know what I was doing. I allowed myself mistakes.
Yeah.
Sometimes failure and mistakes scare people. They scared
yeah.
me too. Because I always try and do things that are a little to the left. They're always a little different, whether it's my choice in movies, choice in parts. Which actor do you know has done music? It's bizarre for people when I say it, or when I did say it. But it's always the fear of failure stops us of trying to achieve as much as we can. It's okay to fail. It's
Totally.
okay to say, you know what, I didn't do it right. I'll try something else. I'll try it differently. Yes, a lot of people don't get many opportunities after failure, but you can always do something different. And nothing is do or die. And I think once you start feeling that, there'll be a certain sense of confidence and a certain sense of liberation and freedom. And that's the advice I'll give someone. Don't be afraid to fail. Because the only way to go up when you're in rock bottom, the only way to go when you're
Yeah.
in rock bottom is up.
Yeah.
So, but you know what we do when people hit rock bottom mostly, there's a romanticness to that. There's, people romanticize being a victim.
Totally.
You like being in
Totally.
pain.
Use it. Yeah.
And the world there's a persecution complex, and then the world is conspiring to ruin me and blaming everyone else. Whereas if you sit down for a couple of days, a couple of weeks, let yourself feel your failure, let yourself feel your pain, and eventually you'll get over it. But when you fight it is when there's, you get into this vortex of spinning into this dark space. And most people are afraid to feel it. But it's also scary because you might get addicted to the whole I love pain thing, which is terrible and so loser-like. That's never happened to me. I have never planned anything. For me, an opportunity comes and I say, oh, that seems like something that people don't think I would be able to do. Let's do it. So for me, what challenges me is pushing the buck a little bit and doing things that are not expected a little bit. And that's what I want to be. That's the legacy I want to leave behind. That nothing is impossible, which we read in books but I want to be able to prove that a little bit, that it's really not impossible if you put your mind to it. Like when I started movies, I told my dad, my parents asked me, do you want to, because I was just 18. 18. They asked me, I got a lot of movie offers, and they said, and they said that, is this something you want to do? And I said, I want to give it a shot. And my dad said, all right, take a year and a half, And I gave myself that much time, and I said, let me see what happens. Otherwise, I'll go back to school. I'd still be 19.
Yeah.
And I'd go to college. And so you have to treat life like that. You can't take it too seriously. That's when you start curbing yourself. You become too ambitious, and then it's all wrong. It has to be light and free and creative, and that's when the best of life can happen. I can't define success. To me, success is... it's this inherent feeling of happiness. Success needs to make you feel like you're flying. And it could be success at learning how to knit, or it could be success at giving a great speech.
Yeah.
Or
But as long as you feel internal happiness somewhere, that's success.
Success to me is this gratifying happiness, like when you're really hungry and you have a great meal, that is success. Well, for me, Girl Up stands for everything that needs to be about everything that women stand for. And it's something that stands for girls all over the world, and it's a coming together of female power, and it's taking care of women, and you just need something, you just need to know that someone's standing up for you.
Yeah.
And that's what Girl Up's doing. It stands up for you when nobody else does, which is amazing. I mean, I feel so fortunate to be their brand ambassador. I think जो creative aspect होता है फिल्मों का, I think उसको वैसा ही छोड़ देना चाहिए, जहाँ पे कहानियाँ हों, जहाँ पे जैसे पाकिस्तान में और इंडिया में हम लोग बेसिकली तो एक ही माँ से पैदा हुए हैं, हम लोग बेसिकली तो भाई बहन ही हैं. पॉलिटिकल एस्पेक्ट्स को छोड़ें अगर, जिस तरह का हमारा कल्चर है, जिस तरह की हमारे रूट्स हैं, हमारे जो पोइट्स हैं, दुनिया बात करती है हमारे कल्चर के बारे में, हमारी पोइट्री के बारे में, हमारी कहानियों के बारे में, हमारी गानों के बारे में. एंड आई थिंक ये एक बहुत ही खूबसूरत बात है कि जो पाकिस्तानी फ़िल्में हैं फिर से रिवाइव हुई हैं, और जो क्रिएटिविटी है उसको कर्ब नहीं किया जा रहा है. और एंड आई होप, इंडिया पाकिस्तान को छोड़िए, आई जस्ट होप दैट फिल्में जो बनती हैं वो इवेंचुअली क्यों बनती हैं, ताकि लोग जो जाएं थिएटर में 3 घंटे अपनी जो प्रॉब्लम्स हैं उसको भूल के एंटरटेन हो सकें. एंड बस फिल्में वही होनी चाहिए. और स्पेशली पाकिस्तान में और इंडिया में जो हमारा टैलेंट रहा है सालों साल से, आई थिंक वो अगर बाहर आए तो आई थिंक हमारी फिल्में और हमारे रूट्स इस पूरे देश को रूल कर सकते हैं. पाकिस्तान जाने का बहुत शौक़ है मुझे. मेरे बहुत सारे दोस्त लाहौर गए हैं. वहाँ का फ़ैशन, वहाँ के लोग, वहाँ का खाना. मेरी फैमिली एक्चुअली वहीं से आई थी जब ऑफ कोर्स हमारा डिवाइड एंड रूल हुआ था. तो मैं ज़रूर चाहूँगी कि अभी मैं किसी तरह कभी एटलीस्ट लाहौर, पेशावर, कहीं ना कहीं तो जा सकूँ. और आई एम होपिंग कि किसी ना किसी दिन कोई मुझे पाकिस्तान से इनवाइट करे और मैं एक्चुअली वहाँ आऊँ. मैं बस कहूँगी कि पाकिस्तान से मुझे हमेशा बहुत प्यार मिला है, बहुत इज़्ज़त मिली है. मेरी फ़िल्में हों या जो भी मैंने कोशिश की है करने की, और अगर वो प्यार बरकरार रहे तो मुझे हमेशा एक तरह से करेज और कॉन्फिडेंस मिलेगा कि मैं ज़िंदगी में कुछ भी कर सकती हूँ और आपको हमेशा एंटरटेन करती रहूँगी. सो थैंक यू सो मच कि आपने मुझे इतनी इज़्ज़त दी और इतनी इज़्ज़त अफजाई की मेरी. It's been a very special journey. It's been one of the most enriching experiences of my life, and I'll remember it always. Good, bad, ugly, it'll be mine to remember.
Never had a party.